Working with the SMART team from Westcliff University has been very impressive. First, in their professionalism, they were always on time, they were always prepared, they were always ready to talk about the audience that we were trying to get in order to fundraise for our program and our organization.
My experience working with the United Way was great, only positive. I think I got really inspired by working with such a great and powerful community, but I also really enjoyed working with my team on this project. This is the first time I actually was able to act as a consultant with a real-life company or organization and actually help them to make a difference and help them grow.
When you marry nonprofit organizations to some of the best and brightest students, such as the MBA students from Westcliff University, I think what happens is this beautiful magic of just bringing a newer perspective and generation.
There were a lot of surprises. First of all, we as an international team, we work from a lot of different backgrounds. Understanding the different point of views that each of us in different cultures have was really surprising, and how that was put into place to make one single puzzle to have like a unique point of view as a team.
Participating in this program is really helped me a lot, improve my analyze and research skills, and also teamwork is a really good power for me.
Working with this project has opened me up, communicate well, and most importantly, understanding the cause, understanding the problem is really important to solve anything.
I would encourage businesses to partner with Westcliff University because they actually seem to care about the project that they're working on, and they actually seem to want to invest into that.